Okay, so let's do our last example problem, and we're going to switch from geometry to temperature conversion. This is the equation to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. Now, you look, like I said, this will be in a math book. It'll be in a science textbook. It's probably in just about any conversion table. This is what you will find. So as it stands, you could convert any Fahrenheit temperature into Celsius, just like the way it is. But I want us to take this equation and solve for Fahrenheit. Okay? I want us to solve for Fahrenheit. In other words, I want this equation to be a function. I want the Fahrenheit to be a function of the Celsius. Okay? I want the Fahrenheit, the F, equal to everything else. So where do we want to start? Well, you got a lot going on. You got the 5/9 times the parentheses. And your Fahrenheit is in the parentheses. So once we move the 5/9 and get that out of the way, we're going to drop the parentheses and get rid of the -32. Okay? So 5/9, it is a fraction. I want to move the fraction over to the other side. The only way you can do that is to multiply by the reciprocal. So we're going to flip that fraction over and multiply both sides by 9/5. So now my fraction cancels out. It's moved to the left-hand side, and I'm going to drop the parentheses because now there's nothing in front of it anymore. So I have the Fahrenheit minus 32, F minus 32. If I want the 32 to go away, I have to add 32 to both sides. The 32's cancel. Your Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 times C plus 32. Don't touch the 9/5. Don't make it into a decimal or anything. Leave it just like this. So this is how we would convert the Celsius to Fahrenheit. And ladies and gentlemen, this is what we, when we look at our, our weather reports and it's in Celsius, and then you click over and say you want it in Fahrenheit because that's what we're used to. This is what the computer's doing. It's actually doing this conversion for whatever degrees that you're looking at. So literal equations, I believe this is the last section of Unit 4. It was a short section, but it's a good section. It was a short unit, rather. So you've got homework to do. Please don't skip any word problems. Do your best on these problems in this section, and I will see you in class.